got a couple visitors here at the door. They must be wanting something. I think we know what they want. They want her.
They're waiting on me, but it's raining out there this morning.
Yeah.
It's raining. I'm not gonna get to sit with Gray. Maybe if I go in the garage.
Yeah, maybe.
She'll come see me. I have been working on the mineral shop some more, and I've made good progress. I'm ready to start making all of the potion bottles, like the interior. Here's what it's looking like. I've got some of the wall up. I need to put the stair in. There's some sort of a, looks like a still, a contraption that goes back here. And then the potion bottles. I'm waiting for the pieces on the floor here that are missing, or I'm going to have to wait for. And I suspect with the way the mail's moving, I'm going to be waiting a while. So I'll work on other stuff. Like, I could, it's hard to push this stuff in when the walls get too high or too close. But there is still more I can do. I'm not at a stopping point. And as you might remember, I can always just start building the second floor that sits on top of the first floor. So there's lots of room for continued work progress, even if I am waiting a while. Hey Tux, how are you? It is very cool and damp out here today. I guess the rain's done, maybe, sorta. Hey Gray. It's early afternoon. It's like going on 2:30 or something, but you know, it gets dark so early. And these two up here, they are some hungry kitties. I can't walk again. You know, you really could let me get closer. I am the one feeding you. Really, you could. I'm not after you. I thought we were gonna see some sun this afternoon. It had cleared up midday, but I guess not. Tomorrow when we have Jupiter and Saturn lined up, we're supposed to have a clear night. So let it be cloudy today, just as long as we're not cloudy tomorrow. I'm just going out to play pogo. Well, South Park is as quiet as you would expect it to be for a Sunday afternoon, especially when people are not really wanting to be out walking on the track or doing any of the other activities over here, COVID or not. It's 48 out there according to Ruby. I think she's been out of the garage long enough to have an accurate temperature, but it just feels super damp today. So I was slightly wrong the other day about what was going on over here. I will pop up a picture of what this building is going to look like. But we have condominiums, a shopping center, real parking, some serious development going in on that block, and the town is all upset about it, mostly because Stick Boy now has no parking. And well, when you need your coffee and pastry, you want to be able to to park and get to it, especially in the wintertime. So yeah, it's pretty big for Fuquay. I guess this block over here is also scheduled to have a similar development, but it was on the plans longer but hasn't started. So I don't know where that one stands, but yeah, back over in through there, definitely a big deal happening. I don't know how long it's supposed to take. I'm sort of torn between understanding that, you know, sometimes you have to reuse land in the city to do new things with, and that they're trying, you know, the whole plan is to keep the town vital and you know, progress and all of that good stuff. And then on the other hand, I'm very disappointed, number one, that they tore up the parking lot 2 weeks before Christmas, because that's about how long it's been going on. It made it harder to shop downtown when we've already got COVID anyway. And then, you know, this parking lot always had beautiful decorations, just like the one where the town Christmas tree is 1 block south of here. So, you know, that was kind of disappointing. I wanted to show you guys a little bit more picture of the block, not necessarily a picture of the outhouse. But yeah, they take down the Christmas decorations. They got rid of parking at Christmas time. They've messed up people going to get their coffee and their pastries at Stick Boy. It's kind of frustrating. Will it be good for the town in the long run? Maybe. but certainly in the near term, I'll pull up now. In the near term, it's a total and real inconvenience. And yeah, a little bit sad if you ask me. Fuquay, I didn't think we were trying to be big town America. And so seeing some of these changes downtown is kind of painful. That building in front of me is one of the original buildings, and I probably am going to do a historical photo of it at some point. And Elliot's Pharmacy was on the corner there, and it did used to have the soda fountain, and you know, it really was inside. It used to look like you would expect a Old Town pharmacy to look. So anyway, I guess the other thing that's frustrating about this lot over here is that we just got done building these condominiums one block in this direction, and the whole town was tore up while they put in new sewer and water, and there was construction all the time. And it would just really be nice if this couple of blocks here, you know, let's say a 10-block area downtown, was vacant of all that construction and heartache and traffic and problems, and just could be itself. Because there's so much construction everywhere in Fuquay. You can't get away from it anymore. There's nowhere to go. So anyway, this won't be my last update on what's going on this corner. And again, I'll stick up a picture of what this building's supposed to look like. Yeah, I mean, you can sort of see on the sign here, but not very well with me driving past. I'm back home. Pogo missions for today completed. I did get Mr. Mime and Mr. Rhyme in the special thing this week on my Photomom 1 account. I didn't play it on the other accounts. And so that's good. I also am up to level 42 now. Sweet.
Ooh, Kahlua.
Happy Sunday, pre-Christmas Sunday.
It's starting early, baby.
Donnie, it's just a little bit in there. It's mostly cream.
Yeah. Oh boy, and I've got
liver pate.
Yeah, liver pate. Yep.
Yeah, we're trying so hard to eat some liver because so many people say it's good for you. Yeah, that cream and Kahlua is sinfully delicious. Yeah. Yeah, it's a rainy, cold, damp Sunday, and we're just gonna have a little nosh here, and
yeah, that's right.
Think I'm making ribs again.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, we're having ribs for dinner, and yeah. I've been practicing my hand at hearts and stars and other shapes in front of the tree. One of my friends over in England, that's a photographer, John, I've mentioned him recently. Every year he does a hearts and stars challenge, and I, you know, have to try to improve my technique. So, but it's ice cream time, eggnog again, because it is Christmas.
That's right. It's yummy.
Good. I'm glad you're enjoying it. So I'm probably going to rest on my laurels for tonight and go eat my ice cream. And the guys have on BattleBots.
Yep.